Texas. Glad that you came down. You got lots of friends here. Take a look around. They come from California. They come from Ohio. They come from Minnesota to get out of the snow.
You don't like her driving, you don't like her roads.
You make fun of the way we talk, make fun of our clothes.
But you clog up her highways, been pouring in for years.
If you don't like the way we do it, what are you doing here? Welcome to Texas, don't anybody get me wrong. We're glad y'all came to see us, just don't forget to go back home. Look here, we don't need your politics, we don't need your prayers. We don't need your moral compass leading us anywhere. We don't need your business, we don't need your art. We don't really give a damn what it was you did up north. Welcome to Texas, don't anybody get me wrong. We're glad y'all came to see us, just don't forget to go back home. Or go to phone. Gripe about our music, gripe about our food, gripe about the weather here. Says, wait.